Hey everyone, Tesher here, the creator and designer of Temptations and Tara at Home. Happy Valentine's Day. I thought it would be super cute to do a quick recipe because here's the deal. For me, food is such an expression of love and I always want to be doing something special, especially on Valentine's Day, but I don't have time. I don't have a ton of time like all of us don't to be slaving in the kitchen. So this is just a really cute idea and I love it. It's sprinkle fortune cookies, okay? Who doesn't love a fortune? So you're gonna go to the grocery store. In this case, we went to Wegmans and we just bought a box of fortune cookies. They're usually about 25. I have them here in my bowl. Notice here we have all of our Temptations pieces. We have all of our QVC pieces that we have on QVC. So you wanna go over to temptations.com or QVC.com and check out our entire selection. So just wanted to give you that heads up. Then what did I do? I got some vanilla or white chocolate, and then I got some regular chocolate. You could do milk chocolate, you could do dark chocolate, whatever you wanna do. I microwave those and then wait till you see how stinking cute this is. All you're gonna do is take your little fortune cookie, hold it right here by like what I'd like to call the tail, and then you're just gonna dip. You can dip in the white chocolate. Let's do one white first. I'm gonna bring these sprinkles over. Once you get the chocolate on there, look how cute. You're just gonna go ahead and dip and you are good to go. Then just put it on your platter or whatever you wanna go ahead and serve it on. So easy, so cute, and so delicious, because who doesn't love their fortune? Then I just did it in our little milk chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in our sprinkles. So easy, make sure, it reminds me of like the ice cream cones that you get at the beach in the summertime. Love, but they're fortune cookies and they're crunchy. So super easy. Here they are all finished and I love this. Such an easy, super simple recipe. If you wanna check out that recipe, you can go over to temptationsbytara.blog, TEMP-TATIONS by Tara. .blog, and there you can sign up for our newsletter if you wanted to. There's recipes, you can see what we're up to, you can see some of our great products, but if you love anything that you're looking at here, go over to QVC.com or of course go to temptations.com, TEMP-TATIONS.com, and check it out. But happy Valentine's Day, and here's a nice, quick, and easy sweet treat I just know you're gonna love. Bye.